Hi, I'm Alex McNear, and today I'm going to share with you about our technology plan for the district to be carried out over the next 2 school years. This plan was developed by myself along with Judy Dumas and Luciana Thomas. Our mission for this technology plan is threefold. First, we want to eliminate barriers to technology and internet access, such as cases where students can't afford internet access or computing devices at home. We also want to help students and teachers embrace technology, give them the support and the tools they need to use technology well and to apply it to learning. Finally, we want to use technology to transform learning. We don't want to use technology just to use it. Instead, we want to use it to create learning experiences that would not be possible otherwise. We plan to accomplish this through a series of 3 goals. First, we will upgrade our internet infrastructure at each school so that it can support more devices using multimedia applications. Second, we will provide Chromebooks for all students in grades 3 through 12 with updated computer labs in each elementary school to be used by kindergarten through 2nd grade students. We also plan to incorporate technology study halls, which are times where students can use their school provided devices supervised by teachers to complete homework assignments. Last, we plan to incorporate social media in our schools for 3 purposes: to communicate with parents and the community, as a professional development tool for our teachers, and for collaborative learning among high school students. We will also work with a think tank, including various stakeholders, to develop social media policies to govern its use that will ensure student safety. The most important thing to talk about is the impact that these measures will have on teaching and learning in our school district. We will review a few research-based benefits of this technology plan. First, improved internet connectivity is required to access many of the multimedia learning resources that can truly enhance courses. Additionally, the provision of a device on a 1-to-1 ratio for each student improves engagement and the quality of academic work done by students. In addition, provision of devices, internet access, and the technology study halls will aid in homework completion, which has been shown to boost success, especially among economically disadvantaged students, which make up 45% of the students in our district. Next, emphasis will be placed on teacher development, with plenty of training opportunities, professional development, and early access at least 6 months in advance to any technology, whether it be hardware or software, that our students will eventually use. Professional development opportunities such as this have been proven to improve instruction. Additionally, the incorporation of social media will increase interaction, communication, and resource sharing among both students and faculty. Finally, these measures will help our students to develop 21st century skills, including communication, collaboration, and critical thinking, all of which are in high demand in the job market today. This all ties into ISTE's, or the International Society for Technology and Education's, standards, which are designed to prepare schools for digital age learning. We will meet standards for students by incorporating digital citizenship, empowered learning, creative communication, and global collaboration. In regard to educators, we will support the standards for leadership, lifelong learning, collaboration, and instructional design. Among administrators or educational leaders, this will help to develop visionary planning, systems design, an advocate perspective, and leadership that empowers those they oversee. Lastly, of course, we must consider what all of this will cost the district. Here's a summary of the budget requirements for the technology plan as a whole. The cost of the infrastructure needed to improve internet connectivity is $275,972. The cost of Chromebooks and accessories, which are protective covers and earbuds, is $759,966. And finally, we will be putting $10,000 into teacher education. This brings the total cost to just over $1 million to complete all of the goals described. Thank you for viewing this presentation. I hope you'll all be on board with using technology to transform learning in our district. Please take a moment to view our references for this presentation.